Hello everyone, I am Shanice and welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, if this is not your first time, welcome back. So for today's video, we're going to be going over 3 quick, simple and easy lock styles that you can do with a head wrap. So sometimes, you don't have a retwist or you just want to kind of do something quick, simple and go out the door. This video is for you. So before we jump into today's video, go ahead, like this video, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. So let's go ahead and jump right into today's video. So the items you'll need for today's tutorial is a head wrap like so. I'll link this below of where I got it. You will need some bobby pins and something to put your hair up with, tie your hair up with. So some type of scrunchie. Like I said, I like to use a bigger one just because my locks are getting thicker. But if your locks are a little smaller, you can use, smaller hair ties. So for the next lock style, we are just going to keep our locks down. So you're gonna tie it like this and just loop it around like the beginning of you tying your shoe, basically. And you can do 1 cross in the back or 2 if you want it more secure, but I'm not gonna lie, I like it with 1 cross in the back. It keeps it from being so bulky. So there you go, your locks are out. It's neat, especially like if you're wearing black, it's good. Black on black is always a good look to me. Black is my color. Black, grays, earth tones, it's kind of my thing. So next lock style, we are actually going to put our hair all the way up. So you use your hair tie, and it doesn't have to be perfect, just make sure you have your hair up. So you're gonna come around and cross it in the front. And loop it back down. And I'm going to tuck it in the back. And there you go. So what I try to do is try to keep it from being so bulky once you tuck it. So you'll just have to manipulate your head wrap to make sure that it's not bulky. Put it to the side. You can also add lock jewelry to the end of your locks. I'm definitely going to be adding lock jewelry, especially for the summertime. Wintertime, I don't really need it, but definitely in the summertime, when you're out, your locks are popping, it just adds that extra oomph to your hair. So I like the asymmetrical look. You could pull it to the front and just have it out, clean head wrap style. So the next hairstyle we're going to do is going to be basically like a top knot bun, and you're going to wrap the scarf around, and this is a good protective style for winter. If you don't want your hair exposed to the harsh cold, it's a good way to wrap up your locks underneath the head wrap. So here you see how you have loose locks. Well, because my locks aren't, you know, super long. I think they're like medium sized, you know, call them medium locks. You can just pin down some of your locks so that when you do your bun, you know, it looks more round at the top. Like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You're just trying to get the overall shape together. Okay. So for this style, you're going to open your scarf up all the way, your head wrap. You're going to lay your scarf on like this. Cross it in the front. And once you cross it, you can twist it. Because this twist is going to go around the bun. Like so. So this is all of it up under the head wrap with your top bun. If there's any loose ends, you kind of want to just tuck it to make it look a little neater. And like I said, this head wrap style is a good go-to if one, you don't have a retwist, or two, you just want to protect your hair from the cold. Like now it is winter, protective style. This is good to keep it all in, moisturized, you know, just under your head wrap. So yeah, you can pull the baby hairs out if you want to, add a little makeup, do a little extra, however you want to rock your head wrap style. That is up to you. So there you have it, 3 simple, convenient, easy head wrap styles that you can use. Like I said, I will link the head wraps where I got them below. I actually got 2 in a pack, a black one and a tan one. Like I said before, earth tones, it's my thing. I'll link that below. Like it, subscribe to the channel, comment below. I will be dropping more, of course, lock videos. Thank you guys, as always, for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time for another vlog video.